New Mexico's produce growers are known for supplying consumers with quality, fresh fruits and vegetables that are healthy and safe to eat. From planting to harvest to packing and delivery, growers know the importance of following safe agricultural practices and mitigating the risks for microbial contamination. Contaminated fresh produce can result in damage to businesses in the form of wasted products and loss of income and consumer confidence. But more importantly, contamination can cause widespread foodborne illness. So to better serve consumers and to ensure food safety standards and practices for food producers across the United States, the federal government passed into law the Produce Safety Rule as part of the Food Safety Modernization Act. It is the first ever federal standard to provide specific on-farm food safety regulations for producers of fruits, vegetables, and other specialty crops. You see, these standards and practices enhance the ability of produce growers to supply fresh, safe fruits and vegetables in New Mexico and beyond. The Produce Safety Alliance Grower Training Course is a series of science-based modules that emphasize food safety and environmental management while also outlining the requirements of the Produce Safety Rule. Now, at least one supervisor or responsible party from a produce operation must attend this interactive training. It is a risk management tool for the produce industry. The information presented is timely, it's extensive, and relevant to large and small produce farms and processing facilities. For information on the PSA Grower Training Course and upcoming training dates and locations, just contact the Southwest Border Food Protection and Emergency Preparedness Center or your local Cooperative Extension office.